This is my first time using a GoPro. Hi, this is Grace, our sales manager, and we arrived at the airport of LAS, right? Las Vegas, yeah. And we just found some signers made in LCSIGN. Yeah. So now we're heading our way to meet with our team which have already been in the convention center for 1 day, and yeah, it was a very busy day. So we're gonna be the part of tomorrow. Let's see what happens. We're walking down this road now.
We're bringing the noise. Go baby, we bringing our toys. Separate men from the boys. Chopper be singing, should be on the voice. Bang bang, we gon' ride out. Gang gang, we don't die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out.
A few moments later.
With advanced bending